Good morning, welcome to my latest market vlog, which is the Rose Street Market, which I was so excited to do this market because I've wanted to do the Rose Street one for years. When I first moved back down to Melbourne from Queensland, that was the one I was going to go to. I couldn't find it at the time and I kind of just gave up and decided not to worry about it. And then a couple of years ago last year I started applying. It's really hard to get into though. So I applied again this year and finally got into a Sunday, December one, which is great. So we'll get into the vlog. I'm literally coming to you live from Brisbane. We're about to go and set up at Woodford this morning. I got really behind with my editing for YouTube the last couple of weeks just because I've been madly prepping for Woodford. So that's why I'm coming to you live from a hotel bathroom. Saturday, 5:30 p.m. I am packing the cart for Rose Street Market Fitzroy, which I'm doing tomorrow. If you watch my studio vlog, you'll know I said I'm feeling a bit flustered with this one, mainly because I think it's the end of the year and I'm just like done with markets. But my main suitcase that I take to all my markets, I've lent to my daughter. So it's just thrown me out completely because she's gone away for the week and it's a good suitcase. So I said she could borrow it. And I literally just realised I haven't packed my packaging, my bags. Thank God I realised, because that would have been very problematic if I forgot my bags for like people buying stuff. So I just dumped it all on my table when I gave her my suitcase. So I'm just going to pack it into a bag. Here's one I prepared earlier, my lovely collab bag. My studio is a mess again as usual. I just finished my workshop. I've dumped everything on my table that I'm setting up for our VIP shopping night Tuesday. This is going to be my deals table, my clearance table. Okay, bags are packed. I'm also just going to pop my FPOS in there. I'm also going to get my battery charger off charge and pop that in there. Morning, it's 2 minutes to 7 a.m. I have just got to the studio. I didn't want to have to go via the studio this morning, but I unfortunately left half of my jewelry bits and pieces and backing cards that I need to finish all this stuff off last night. So I'm going to have to do that like once I'm set up. So I'm just going to quickly go in and grab that stuff and then we're going to be on the road. I've got the card backings, the little hole punch, the necklace chains. I thought I had my extra stud backing that I thought were in the box, but they must be at home. So I'm hoping the one I've got is the matching one to the posts that I've glued onto the studs. Otherwise, I won't be selling any of the studs today. The market started. I've still got so much to make and I've also spilled Coke all over myself, but I'm going to show you what I've ended up with the stall. And I'm right next to the little plant place, which is very cool. So I've got my little production area back here. I'm so annoyed. Look at this. Where is it? This beautiful mini vase magnet. The magnet slid off and there's no way for me to move that. So I'm just going to keep that for myself, I think. Did bring some food today and I also brought my coffee. So we're having this for first snacks. We'll see if I need more after this. Past 11. There's quite a few people walking around. That's why I'm hiding behind my stall. I've just ordered pizza. I've only sold one thing so far. That is a vase, $25. We'll see. Like, nah, we have to get this yummy. So I've got this little cubby house kind of situation at the back here. This pizza is like gourmet and it was only like $7.50. It's so good. Sold another vase and some stickers. Clock update, we're up to 111. 111. Definitely getting busier now. 1 p.m. update, we're up to 241. That's good, but still would like to get to definitely 500 if possible. I'd actually love to get to 1,000 today. Universe, make it happen. It's nearly 2 o'clock. I've hit the wall. I could not sleep last night. I was awake from like midnight till 2. So I'm running on empty. And to the studio this morning, one of my jobs was to get more business cards, a whole box. Did I remember to do that? No, I didn't. So I had a stack. I've actually given out a lot. So luckily I've got extra earring backing cards, which I've got my website, so I've just put them out. I also have some bookmarks that got a bit of dirt on them, which I'm just giving out in orders if I need to. Just bought some little handmade lollies off a girl who I used to do markets with years ago when I first moved down to Melbourne and started making, well, after I finished TAFE and started making my wheat bags. I used to do a market at the Queen Vic Market as part of Craft Victoria. She used to do pottery. Now she's doing lollies. And they have this like little vending machine, but it's literally a kid's toy. She just told me where to get it. Like jelly inside and crispy and crunchy on the outside. I needed a sugar hit to get me through the last hour. Just had to sit down. I keep hiding to do a little update because there's consistently people walking past and they look at me like I'm a crazy person. Okay, so 3 p.m. update, or it's 10 past 3. We're up to 4:31. So that's good. Like I'm happy with that because that makes it worth coming to. But again, it's December. I would have thought we'd be up to a lot more. But I have never done this market before. I like, you know, grand. People are looking at me like, who is she talking to? I'm next to these cool plants and I want the cactuses, but I thought they were $10, but they're like 40. Look at those bad boys. I just did a whole talk and my phone wasn't recording. My feet are killing me. I wore my Merry People boots today because it was pouring down with rain on the peninsula this morning. So I thought it might have been raining in here, but it's not. And my Clever runners are so much more comfortable now that I'm compared. Someone's at my store. I'll be back. It's quietened down quite a bit. There's still a decent amount of people around though. Yeah, as I was saying, if you do use my link in the description to order a pair of Clever runners, which are incredible, make sure you measure your feet because I'm normally a size 39 Europe and I'm a size 41 in them. So because they're designed for women, unlike all the other runners out there that are actually shrunken down men's sizes, they fit a bit different to normal shoes. My daughter's got the same size that she normally has and they fit her fine, but mine I had to go up to, I could have gone up to 40. It would have fit, I think, but 41 fits beautifully and I wish I'd wore them today because my feet are bloody killing me. Really hit the wall. I'm going to start tidying up behind the store. We might get a last little... It has been busier this afternoon for sales. This morning was busier with people, but this afternoon people are buying bigger things. So you never know what can happen in the last 50 minutes. I do need to go to the toilet, so I might duck off and do that real quick. Hey, we're all done. It is 4:49. I'm not going to do a full little post-market chat until I get home because it's boiling hot in my car and I can't have my car running idle because of its issue that the pistons are cracked. It just does not have, it has a nervous breakdown. So I'll do the review when I get home. But I packed up pretty quick, I thought. So let's go. It's like an hour and 10 drive. I'm going to do tolls because there's less stopping. The face of someone who literally just had their dinner 2 minutes ago and is now begging for mine. Who also happens to have a pig's ear waiting for them. Why don't you go have your pig's ear?
And you've just had your own dinner. Can I not have mine in peace and quiet? My dinner being a chicken sandwich because I just drove home from Fitzroy from a market that I left the house for at 6:30. So this is as good as it's getting tonight.
Okay, that was the vlog, just a little one. So total sales for Rose Street came to $478. Which I'm happy with that for a normal market. For a Christmas market, I would have liked to have seen more like 700-800, maybe even 1,000, but I hadn't done it before. So I have had mixed reviews. Some people say it's amazing, some people say it can be hit and miss. So I'm still happy with that figure, but yeah, for this time of year, I would have hoped for a bit more. The store cost me, I think it was $95 from memory. I'm not going to go back and look now. We've run out of time. And I paid $7.50 for a pizza. So let's just say just over 100. So $3.78. It was in Fitzroy, which took me over an hour to get to. I did use a toll, so that cost a little bit. So really, like, it's still like almost minimum wage, isn't it? This was my last one-day market for the year. I'm really reassessing one-day markets for next year and events in general. Actually, I've almost fully booked out my calendar. I'm going to do a whole video talking about what my plans are for next year. I'm glad I've done Rose Street. I may apply again for a couple of times next year, but it's one that it was awesome being there, but it is a bit of an effort to get there because it's quite far away. So I'm not sure. I'm not going to run back there to do it anytime, like as soon as I can, because I feel like I've ticked that off my list of wants to do's, and I'm really happy that I've done it, but I don't need to do it heaps again. If I've got some gaps next year and I feel like doing it again, I might give it a go. It'd be good to do it on a Saturday to see if that's any different. But yeah, that was Rose Street. Thank you for watching my market vlog. I am hoping to get my next studio vlog uploaded this morning before I head off to Woodford. I didn't realise when I put my videos onto my editing app that uses my data. I don't know why I didn't realise that. And I'm not going to have Wi-Fi at Woodford, so I actually don't think I'm going to get any more videos done before we get out of there on the 1st or 2nd of January. So I'm going to try and edit another one before we leave the hotel this morning. If I don't though, this will be the last vlog until early in the new year, and then it's all about Woodford after that. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. If you want to follow along my Woodford, I'll do some daily stories and stuff on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, you can find me there.